Creative ways to use spinach in cooking. Welcome to the video guys, I hope you are well. If you have harvested your spinach, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Spinach is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Salads. Spinach is a great addition to salads, adding a nutritious boost of vitamins and minerals. You can mix it with other leafy greens, add some fruits and nuts for a sweet and savory combination, or top it with your favorite protein for a filling meal. 2. Smoothies. Spinach is a popular ingredient in green smoothies, as it adds a vibrant color and a healthy dose of nutrients. You can blend it with fruits, yogurt, and other vegetables for a delicious and nutritious drink. 3. Pesto. Instead of using traditional basil, try making pesto with spinach for a unique twist. Simply blend spinach, garlic, nuts, and olive oil together to create a flavorful sauce that can be used on pasta, sandwiches, or as a dip. 4. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken. Cut a pocket into a chicken breast, stuff it with a mixture of spinach, feta cheese, and herbs, and bake it in the oven for a delicious and healthy meal. 5. Spinach and mushroom quiche. Use spinach as the base for a quiche, adding in sautéed mushrooms, onions, and your favorite cheese for a savory and satisfying dish. The possibilities are endless when it comes to using spinach in cooking, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your own favorite recipes. 6. Additional tips. In addition to these creative ways to use spinach, you can also freeze the leaves for later use. Simply blanch the leaves in boiling water for a minute, then transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once they are cool, pat them dry and store them in a freezer-safe bag or container.